Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. My today's review session is for the students of lower secondary 1 and lower secondary 2. In our today's PST session, students discussed about Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization is an ancient civilization, and two most common sites of Indus Valley civilization were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These two were world-renowned sites of Indus Valley civilization. The first site of the Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1921 at Harappa near Sahiwal in Punjab. The British were laying railway tracks over there, and they found something over there. After some digging and after some excavation, they found bricks which were drawn from the ruins. Many thousands of bricks they found over there, which used to lay the foundation of the rail track, wrecking the complex of mounds around Harappa before archaeologists could prevent the destruction. Obviously, all the things didn't survive, but the things which survived indicates that the city was surrounded by a massive mud brick. In every, like in Kot Diji as well, in Amri as well, in Mehergarh as well, I'm talking about again and again, I'm talking about muds and stone blocks. Why? Because at that time technology was not there, so people used to have mud and stone blocks to build their houses and all the things, like every building, every road they used to build with mud blocks and bricks. A similar defensive wall at Mohenjo-daro indicates that there was constant need for protection at that time. Previously, there was every city used to have a war, every country used to have a war. So there was one wall which was very massive in Mohenjo-daro, and that wall indicates that there was some constant need for protection for the people of that time. Like all the great civilizations at the time, Harappa had a state granary, which was situated near the main temple building. The granary was a huge structure of various blocks, and the whole building was raised above the ground level to prevent dampness, and it was built in such a way that it used to circulate air. The granaries of both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro had sophisticated storage system. For like the people who used to agriculture, then they used to store their stuff in those granaries, and there were enough large spaces, and they used to keep their stuff there, so they make sure that no one would die of starvation. The most famous site of Indus Valley civilization till date is Mohenjo-daro. Also, Harappa was also famous. Like I have told before as well, that there were two sites, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, but Mohenjo-daro is the most famous site of Indus Valley civilization, and it was discovered in 1922 in Larkana, Sindh. Archaeologists immediately recognized that the two towns had common features, Mohenjo-daro and obviously Harappa, but Harappa was more destroyed than Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro was less damaged than Harappa. But both of the cities were very important. We cannot make any statement that which city was important. Both of the cities were very important, and both of the cities were very powerful. Both cities had a large building in the center which dominated the skyline. So it is not known whether this building was a temple or a fort. The roofs of the buildings were flat, because nowadays we have different shapes of houses, but at that time the roofs of the buildings were usually flat, and the walls of the houses were often 5 feet thick. All the main houses were at least 2 stories high and had bathrooms as well. So further excavations show that there was an excellent drainage system for flood as well as sewerage in these towns. There were even public baths and street lighting facilities for the entire population. Students have also discussed about Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in detail, and they have been assigned tasks that they have to write 5 amazing facts about Mohenjo-daro and 5 amazing facts about Harappa. So this was all from our today's class. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.